Hi guys! Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click this, click the link. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning. So, Hades fire is burning outside my door. The weather is getting to me. The dog's gotten sick from it. We're all getting sick from the heat. About 100 degrees. No shade to be found anywhere. I had just take the dog out. I got more bumps. But anyway, I am going to open for you some Prima Marketing decoupage tissue paper. Let me pop up the picture of what I ordered. So as you can see, they show this on the front of a big dresser. Well, I love peonies, love them. That's why I named my business Peony Lane Designs, right? So I wanted this on my dresser in my bedroom. So I ordered it. This little thing is what showed up. Has the same picture on the front, but as you can see, it's very, very small. I'm feeling annoyed. The listing that I found, and I read it again, said nothing about this image being multiple packages of this. This one right here, can you read it? No? Do you see how magnified that is on your screen? It's extraordinarily tiny writing that says sample shown using multiple packs. But we're gonna open this and see what this tissue paper is all about. This was, you guys, this is expensive stuff for this. I'm not happy. Okay, but anyway, we're gonna open it. This is not paper. This feels like a fabric. All right, so this will do basically one drawer. And there's 2 sheets, so 2 drawers. That's kind of cool. Let's look at this. So this is specifically decoupage paper. As you can see, the texture on it. There's a texture. It doesn't feel like paper. Can you see? Let's see if I can get this to focus. Do you see the weave in there? This is most definitely stronger than normal paper. And I love the peonies. So it says something on it. I don't like script writing on anything because A, you can't read it. It's never something you can clearly read. Love and kindness, courage and honor. This one says, this one. Forgive and respect. So I can do 2 drawers, and that makes sense because actually I think my dresser has, if I skip the top mini rows where you put your underwear and socks, this might work. But I have to repaint my dresser. But I wanted to unbox this and see what it was all about and see if I was gonna have to pop for more. You guys, this is really expensive for this. Hang on. Okay, I just looked up what I paid with shipping and tax and all that good stuff. This was like $14 for these 2 sheets. And I mean, the material's nice, but I'm kind of on the fence about that price point for these tiny little sheets. I don't know what I'm thinking here, guys. No, I do know what I'm thinking. I know what I'm thinking. I'm thinking I'm getting tired of the DIY sphere becoming this incredibly expensive place to be. I mean, I looked at a 16-ounce sample of paint. They wanted $32 for it. What? 16 ounces. So I believe this is 16 ounces of Bungalow 47. This is $13, $14 when I was selling it. That I thought was really expensive for this. I mean, to me, this is more like a $9, $10 range for a sample. And even that kind of hurts. I know I'm going to get called cheap, y'all. I don't even care. But I was on, I heard about a new product that was another all-in-one. And they were like, you should try this all-in-one. And I went online to look at it because I'm like, okay, you want me to try it? I'll try it. And looked at the price and I thought, no, I don't even want to like it at that price. I don't even want to like it, and I don't want to recommend it to anybody. At $33 for this, because it was $32 plus some change, and then what, shipping? That's a lot of money, even for an all-in-one. That's staggering for this. I don't care how much it covers. It better cover the same as a gallon of paint then, because that's what I pay for a gallon of paint. And even if I'm paying for a gallon of paint, it's like, oops, paint, I don't even pay that. I didn't pay that. I didn't pay that to paint my entire basement. Watch that video. Or no, it's a blog post. I don't know. I did it. I'll put a link down in the description below. I painted my entire basement for less than $32. $34. So to find this, it better cover my entire basement at that price. This then should not have cost me that much and not covered what the image showed, without a big disclaimer that said, by the way, to do what I'm showing you in this photograph is going to cost you approximately $45. I'm getting through the cuss words in my head right now. How is anyone who's trying to start a business doing this supposed to earn a profit? I mean, I could then turn around, put this on a piece of furniture, but in my area, I can't get $700 for a dresser. I would have to sell it online. That means I would have to spend probably $200 to $300 in shipping of that $700. And then the materials and all that good stuff is probably going to be about another $100, $150 plus the furniture. So you're not making money. Making very little profit margin. I'm angry. I'm angry today. I'm angry about that. I don't know if it was the $32 sample that really set me off this morning, or receiving this in the mail and going, are you flipping kidding me? I thought, they would be like full-size sheets. Like when you get the decoupage paper at Joann's, you get a nice size roll. You guys have seen that roll, right? The blue one that I had. I covered a lot with that. This is one project, if that. And Joann's project paper was cheaper. Plus I had a coupon. No coupons. I'm probably going to get some haters from Primo Marketing. And everybody's using it. But I wanted to try this decoupage tissue paper that they make. Anyone else tired of being taken advantage of because we chose to do DIYs? Maybe that's why I like companies like Rust-Oleum and traditional paint companies, because they are they are keeping their prices down, maybe because they have a large share of the market, and these boutique paint companies, to stay in business, need to charge you $32, but I can't pay you $32 for this. I can't. I won't. And I won't recommend that anybody watching this channel do that. Nope. That's just stupid. That better cover a lot for $32, and I mean my entire basement. Bungalow 47 doesn't charge you. This is just an example of 16 ounces. They don't charge you $32. I'm not mentioning the name of who does. You know who you are. You do. You know who you are. Anyway, today I need to get my handles on my project. It's been too hard to paint them outside. I have not even had a chance. So the bugs are extraordinarily bad at night right now because of the heat. So they're not getting painted black, but the new legs are coming today. So these are going on, and that sucker's going out to my living room so I can finish some projects. Y'all, I can't even. I'm so angry. It's like, oh, this is the best stuff ever, and that's the best stuff ever. Then they don't even do what they say they're going to do. Uh-oh. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of being lied to and manipulated into thinking this is better than that. And, you know, it's not. It's not. And, you know, the whole, you can paint this without priming, and everybody's complaining that their paint is bleeding through. Yeah, because it's a water-based paint. It may still be an all-in-one, but it's not an all-in-one stain blocker. It's just a clear coat in it. So it's more like a latex. But it's still a water-based paint, and you're still going to have paint bleed because of the tannins. Just any water-based paint, that's what's going to happen. And they don't tell people the truth, and it's starting to really chap me that I'm the only one talking about it. Like, all these other people that do it are going, oh, well, yeah, in that case, you have to prime. That's not in the marketing material. Oh, yeah, it is. A very small fine print in the brochure that came with your paint. I wrote a post about why your paint is bleeding, and I'm probably going to refresh the post because people aren't talking about it. And then it kind of went viral. People were posting it on other people's posts explaining why that was happening because nobody knew. I point blank asked them. I went to the paint manufacturer and I said, excuse me, explain this to me. And I got on with their little chemists, and they explained how it worked, what happened, why that worked, why that happened. And I wrote about it because most of us don't understand. We're like, it just keeps bleeding, and I paint over it, and I paint over it, and I paint over. You can paint that thing a million times, and those tannins are going to bleed through there. But they don't tell you why. They just tell you, you should have used stain blocking primer, which then defeats the purpose of the whole, it's all healthy and everybody can paint inside, right? Because the only thing that's going to block those tannins is a shellac-based primer. It's the only way. And literally no one's talking about that. So, you know, they're marketing their product as this, you know, alternative to using chemicals. They're no VOC. But you have to use something that is full of VOCs in order to take care of the problem with stains. And that's on raw wood. That's on older furniture. Y'all are lying to people. I woke up in a mood. Can you tell? Let's get to work. I don't hate the brass look though. Does not look bad. I totally missed painting this, so when I close it, looks like crap, so I'm gonna have to hit that with some paint. Love my job. Okay, the sun is creeping around this side of the house. I'm almost done in this room. These came today. Those look more like the height I need. Yeah. Yeah. So much better than a console table. Now it'll be a coffee table. So I'm getting these put on. My anti-itch lotion came too, and it was so molten hot, I had to put it in the fridge. At least my postal carrier decided to actually deliver it. Still having issues with my post office. The other day, they're blocking my driveway as I'm pulling in. So I managed to get around the car, which is blocking my driveway, as they're walking up to my door with a package. And I said, oh, I could have saved you a trip. And, you know, I was trying to flag you down. Not even acknowledge the fact that I spoke to them. Walked past me and into their car. Drove away. Wow. That was like next level rudeness. I was not prepared for that. Not prepared. There they are. Look at, there we go. Oh, hairpins, 4-inch hairpins. That'll make a better coffee table. I don't know what I was thinking, y'all. I must not have had enough coffee that day. There they are. She's done. Let's get her out of here. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.